You okay, Luke?
Sorry?
Are you okay?
Out of curiosity, when you're doing slow control like that, are you in first or second on that?
First.
Alright. I always find it easier in second. Even doing like 5-6 mile an hour. Museum up there?
Yeah, yeah.
The railway museum.
Railway museum, yeah.
Never knew that. It's quite nice.
So we do a left at the end.
Oh, just getting back up road we just came off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use the road.
Christ. You're not in Alps yet. Oh, Jesus. I've just killed something big. Christ.
Get that view.
Which one? The one in front, the one to the left, the one behind?
Yeah. You still okay for fuel?
Yeah, I'm half a tank now, so.
Okay. Right, so we're turning right in a moment.
Alright. What, you like fuel now?
Half a tank. Tractor here, Luke.
Aye.
I'll tell you what, temperature is showing 13 degrees, but it don't feel that warm, does it?
No. It's got sun's gone away, hasn't it?
Look at that. I've got this funny feeling we should have turned right there.
Aye. Do you want to turn around and try it?
No.
Might be able to get round here.
No, no.
Oh, earthen. I meant earthen shirts, they're not iron.
In fact, I think we're right here, actually.
Aye.
Yeah. We should have turned back there.
Yeah. It should work out either way. This is going to be a bit dodgy, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know why, because this is just the same road, same route that me, Tony and Paul did. Are you out?
Oh, yeah, I'm around.
I'm just hoping it's not going to send us over. I don't think it's going to send us over.
Oh no.
Yeah. If it does,
To be fair, it would be fun.
No,
I'd
definitely.
be intrigued to see if my bike would be able to. What a tit. Christ. Even Farmer looked at me and went, what a tit. You know what I don't understand about people like that?
Go on.
It's like the learner drivers, isn't it? Because they've made the decision, they already made the decision to pass about a minute before we got there, because of the position they were at. But they just weren't passing.
Yeah.
Caution of red squirrels. Very odd caution sign, isn't it? How come you don't want to do hard night anyway?
Well, not with Trishron back, I don't.
I wouldn't have thought it'd be too bad. You know, on roads like these, I half expect to get around one of these corners and there'd just be a massive branch in the middle of the road.
Look at that. Over to right.
Yeah, over to right. Christ.
This is the road towards Hardknot, you know.
I was thinking I recognised it there from when I think it was when Dory would bring me up to Caravan when we were in Lakes, and we decided to go over Hardknot in golf for whatever reason. I think just for the sake of doing it.
But I'm sure we turn right up here. Sure we do. To go over Birker. This is ringing a bell now.
Yeah, this is definitely road to Hardknot, isn't it? I recognise farmhouse.
Yes, we do turn up. Yeah, this is right there for Birker.
Aye.
Plus the other thing as well, if you're doing Hardknot or Rhinos, you're better off coming the other direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're right. So we can do Hardknot and Rhinos if you really want to.
Aye.
But I'd recommend not.
Well, I imagine it's going to be first gear in it all the way up, innit?
Basically, yeah. So
what actually is the grade on it? It's so stupid, like 30%.
I can't remember.
I know it's steepest road in UK, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. %, it says. Right, yeah, we're right now.
Yeah.
I mean, this is steep enough coming up here.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they're all steep, aren't they, around here anyway?
Yeah.
It's just how steep.
Right, so that is what we're going over.
Yeah, I think that'll be plenty steep enough, let alone Hardknot.
But we're going just to the left hand side of it. Car coming. Come on. This is Birker Fell now. Okay.
She'll not remember that.
There's a cattle grid here as well, Luke.
Aye.
Just look at this road.
That's how you know the road's going to be good.
I'm grinning already. ready for this?
There it is. And I imagine that loop literally just loops around to right and on top of that, doesn't it?
Oh, just honestly, I ain't gonna say. Just watch this when we get up here. Cattle good here, Luke.
There is a van that's about to get to it at the same time as you as well.
Yeah, we can wait. You okay?
Alright.
Looks like there's a car coming down as well. Look down there. Car coming, Luke.
Alright. Bloody hell, I lost it right.
You okay?
Alright.
Look at the road up there.
Is that all this road?
Yep.
Christ.
Careful of the sheep here, Luke. You okay?
Alright. Just having to balance my gears very carefully.
Well, I'm only in second.
Yeah, I'm in second at the moment as well.
Just look in your mirror, Luke.
Alright. Christ.
Over to your left. Car.
Alright. Oh, Christ. See, this is why it's not smart to have a sports bike. Because you would, wouldn't you? Saying that, even on that, you probably got enough beams to be able to. I think we're gonna have to play chicken for who's gonna let who through with a sheep here.
There's another one in your left there.
Aye, hidden behind the bush. Where were we when we had that sheep that were just being stubborn and wouldn't move? Just sat in the middle of the road.
Yeah, okay. I think that was Slade Burns
think
of Bentham.
Was that the same ride that we were pretty good? I think it might have been.
Look at it.
If it was, that were a bloody interesting
Look at them.
ride.
Look at the top of hills there
Aye.
with rocks. Beautiful.
It reminds me of the ride we did, I think it was North Wales. But I mean, with that, if they were going to, realistically, there's nowhere they could have stopped where they wouldn't be causing an issue because of the amount of people on it. In fairness to it, but
Yeah.
it just it sort of takes away from ride, doesn't it? Especially if you want leading ride. So you're constantly worried about where everyone else is and if everyone's still with you.
Yeah. You okay?
Alright.
Cattle grid in a minute.
Aye.
Oh, this is the sign as well here for the snack shack.
To be fair, most of the drivers appear to be quite nice, haven't they?
Yeah, don't forget straight,
Yep.
no throttle.
See, my thing is, this does great at going commuter-wise, but on roads like this, I bet your bike is crushing mine for MPG.
I think it's still averaging about 65.
I'm dropping between like 70 and 50.
Here we are, snack shack here in a second on left.
Aye. Yeah, I can see it, where that Focus of Fiesta was down there.
Yeah.
In here.
Yep.
Need a stretch.